Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 11th December 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 18 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. India's first integrated waste management city cum learning center will be set up in. Answer is Gorakhpur. India's first integrated waste management city cum learning center was set to come up in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, by September 2025. The 40-acre facility will be located in Soothni village in Sahjanv. It will handle 700 tons of waste per day, processing both dry and wet waste to produce charcoal and bio-CNG. The project, supported by a 300 crore rupees investment from NTPC. Question number 2. Who has been appointed the 26th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI? Answer is Sanjay Malhotra. The Revenue Secretary, Union Ministry of Finance, Sanjay Malhotra, has been appointed the 26th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Sanjay Malhotra is an IAS officer of the 1990 batch of the Rajasthan cadre, assumed office on 11 December 2024 after the incumbent governor, Shaktikanta Das, retired on 10 December 2024. Shaktikanta Das assumed office as the 25th governor of the RBI on 12 December 2021. Question number 3. INS Tushil, included in the Indian Navy, has been built with the cooperation of which country? Answer is Russia. The Russian-built multi-role stealth-guided missile frigate INS Tushil was commissioned into the Indian Navy on 9 December 2024 at the Yantra shipyard in Kaliningrad, Russia. INS Tushil is the seventh ship of the Project 1135.6 frigate to be built for the Indian Navy by Russia. The first three, Talwar, Trishul, Tabar, frigates of the project were built by the Baltysky Zavod shipyard in St. Petersburg, Russia, and delivered to the Indian Navy. The next three, Teg, Tarkash, Trikand, were constructed by Yantra shipyard in Kaliningrad. Question number 4. Who has been voted as the 2024 WTA Player of the Year? Answer is Aryna Sabalenka. Aryna Sabalenka of Belarus was voted Women Tennis Association WTA Player of the Year for 2024. This is the first time Aryna Sabalenka has won the WTA Player of the Year award. The Italian pair, Sara Errani and Jasmine Paolini, were voted the WTA Doubles Player of the Year. Emma Navarro of the United States was voted the most improved player on the WTA circuit in 2024. Question number 5. The 3-day Krishnaveni Sangeeta Neerajanam 2024 successfully organized in. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The 3-day Krishnaveni Sangeeta Neerajanam 2024 successfully concluded on 8 December 2024 at the Tummalapaliviri Kshetraya Kalakshetram Auditorium in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. The festival was organized to pay rich tribute to Telugu culture and Carnatic music and provide a platform for lesser-known artists to perform. The Krishnaveni Sangeeta Neerajanam was inaugurated by the Union Minister of State for Tourism, Suresh Gopi, on 6 December 2024. Question number 6. Who has inaugurated Bima Sakhi scheme of the Life Insurance Corporation? Answer is Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Bima Sakhi scheme of the public sector insurance company, the Life Insurance Corporation, LIC, at Panipat in Haryana on 9 December 2024. The Bima Sakhi scheme is for women, and they will receive training for the first 3 years. These women trainees, called Bima Sakhi, will also receive a stipend in addition to the commission for selling the LIC insurance policies. Question number 7. Who has been elected the Speaker of Jharkhand Legislative Assembly? Answer is Rabindranath Mahato. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha MLA Rabindranath Mahato has been elected Speaker of the Jharkhand Assembly for the second consecutive time. He was elected unopposed as the opposition decided not to field any candidate. During the special session of the Assembly, Chief Minister Hemant Soren had proposed his name for this post. Question number 8. Who has been elected the Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly? Answer is Rahul Narvekar. Bharatiya Janata Party MLA Rahul Narvekar was elected unopposed as the Speaker of the 15th Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. He was the Speaker in the 14th Assembly for 2.5 years, was re-elected from the Kolaba Assembly seat in Mumbai in the recently concluded State Assembly elections. He became an MLA for the first time in 2019 and was re-elected this time with a margin of over 48,500 votes. Question number 9. John Mahama has recently become the newly elected president of which country? Answer is Ghana. John Dramani Mahama has won Ghana's 2024 presidential election, marking his return to office after an 8-year hiatus. He secured approximately 56.55% or 6.33 million votes and defeated Vice President Mahamudu Bawumia. The Republic of Ghana is a country in West Africa. Question number 10. What is India's sex ratio at birth for 2023-24 according to provisional data? Answer is 930. The sex ratio at birth in India has improved significantly, rising from 918 in 2014-15 to 930 in 2023-24, as per provisional data from the Health Management Information System. The national gross enrollment ratio of girls in school at the secondary level has increased from 75.51% in 2014-15 to 79.4% in 2021-22, including rural areas. Question number 11. India recently delivered 2,200 metric tons of rice humanitarian assistance to which country? Answer is Myanmar. On 7 December 2024, India delivered 2,200 metric tons of rice to Myanmar as part of its humanitarian assistance. This initiative aligns with India's Act East and Neighbourhood First policies to support Myanmar's people. Myanmar faces severe challenges as the deadliest country for landmine casualties, with 1,052 civilian casualties in 2023, 20% of whom are children. Question number 12. Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of. Answer is Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso's military government has appointed Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo as the new Prime Minister. He was previously the Communications Minister, was announced by junta leader Ibrahim Traore on state television. On the preceding day, the junta dismissed Prime Minister Apollinaire Joachim Kailim di Tambela and dissolved the national government without explanation. Question number 13. Who has been appointed as chief coach of the India Women's Under-20 and Under-17 national football teams? Answer is Joachim Alexandersson. On 5 December 2024, Joachim Alexandersson of Sweden has been appointed as the chief coach of India Women's Under-20 and Under-17 national teams by the All India Football Federation, AIFF. The 48-year-old Alexandersson has come as part of an agreement between the All India Football Federation and the Swedish Football Association. Joachim Alexandersson is a Swedish former professional footballer who played as a defender. Question number 14. Who has become the first Indian to win an FIA Formula 2 Constructors' World Championship? Answer is Kush Mani. Kush Mani has made history by winning the Formula 2 Constructors' race in Abu Dhabi. He has become the first Indian to win the FIA Constructors' World Championship. Mani's season in Formula 2 has been spectacular. Earlier, he was the first Indian to secure a pole position in this race. Question number 15. How many Indian astronauts were selected for the Axiom 4 mission? Answer is 2. The Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station includes 2 Indian astronauts, Prime Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla and Backer Group Captain Prasant Balakrishnan Nair, who have completed the initial phase of their training. This mission is part of a private initiative by Axiom Space, using the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft, and focuses on commercial activities, international collaboration, and scientific research. Question number 16. Who became the first Indian director TO nominated for Best Director at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards? Answer is Payal Kapadia. Filmmaker Payal Kapadia has made history as the first Indian director nominated for Best Director, Motion Picture, at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards for her film All We Imagine as Light. The film All We Imagine as Light has also earned a nomination for Best Motion Picture, Non-English Language. The Golden Globe nominations were announced on 9 December by Mindy Kaling and Morris Chestnut. Question number 17. International Mountain Day is observed every year on. Answer is 11th December. International Mountain Day is observed globally on 11th December every year. The theme for International Mountain Day 2024 is Mountain Solutions for a Sustainable Future: Innovation, Adaptation, Youth, and Beyond. The day was established by the UN General Assembly in 2003 to encourage the sustainable development of mountains. Mountains are home to 15% of the world's population. Question number 18. UNICEF Day is observed every year on. Answer is 11th December. UNICEF Day is observed on 11th December every year to raise awareness about the condition of children around the globe and how their well-being can be ensured. The UN General Assembly created UNICEF on 11th December 1946 as the UN International Children's Emergency Fund to improve the health, nutrition, education, and general welfare of children devastated due to World War II. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.